Welcome to 5 Marisa Lane in Providence's North End, a spacious 2-bed, 1.5-bath townhouse with nearly 2,000 square feet across 3 levels. The main floor connects a bright living room, dining area, and updated kitchen with a convenient half-bath. Upstairs, 2 large bedrooms offer ample closet space and a full bath. The finished lower level adds flexible space for a family room, office, or playroom, plus laundry and storage. Enjoy a covered deck, central air, gas heat, and 2 assigned parking spaces. The HOA covers water, sewer, landscaping, snow removal, and insurance. Listed at $299,999. Join us at the open house, Sunday, August 31st, from 12 to 1:30 p.m. Don't miss this one. Contact Ashley Sargi to schedule your showing. Gold Door Realty. Walk in curious. Walk out convinced.